Okay, on today's video, we're going to learn how to make a weather vane, or better yet, something that's called a windsock. I have a old setup, and it has this wind speed apparatus here, but I'm not going to try to learn how to make that. That's just beyond my wheelhouse right now. I'll learn how to make it another day, right? So we're going to make a windsock weather vane. The items you're going to need are a rubber band, a bamboo skewer, PVC, alright, a plastic bag, and some scissors. Not dangerous, except when you open and close them. So this can still be a kid's activity so long as you have safety scissors. Right, so here's the fun part. The rubber band is going to hold on to the plastic bag, which is going to be mounted to the barbecue bamboo skewer, and then it's going to be attached to the PVC. Alright, so pretty much what we're going to do, I've already cut this one down. You're going to take this bright yellow plastic bag, and you're going to place it like so. Now you see this part right here? This is the part you want. Right here. You don't need the extra plastic. So cut that off. Okay, I'm going to try to do this. Cut that plastic off. And you should be left over with something that's going to catch a lot of air. You can throw this away, properly throw this away. We don't want any sea life or any woodland creatures choking on it, and then I'll hear it later on in a lawsuit or something like that. Okay, so just get rid of that properly. Or even better yet, recycle it. Okay, so here you go. Here's your windsock. Okay, now you take your bamboo skewer and you take this side where it meets together like a seam, and then you put it around your bamboo skewer, right? And you twist and twist and twist. Here's the easy part. Fold it over and just wrap this part up with your rubber band. And it doesn't even have to be a large rubber band. It can be a small rubber band. Okay, so there you go. It doesn't have to grip it really hard. It just has to be able to hold on to it on the bamboo skewer, and it should look something like this. Okay, and there's your windsock. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your bamboo skewer inside your PVC, and then you're gonna have to use your plastic bag to hold on to it. There you go. See that? Right there? Okay. When everything is said and done, you're still gonna need some extra pieces. I'm not trying to leave anything out. And it's going to look like this. Okay. Okay, so there's your bamboo skewer, here's your PVC, but here's the extra parts, right? You're going to need a 90-degree bend to the other side of the PVC, right there. And there you go. That's how you make a windsock. Just like that. Super easy. Just remember, it doesn't have to be anything high tech. It just has to be able to catch wind. And here's the magical part right there. There's 90-degree bend in the PVC and this straight piece. So long as you put this into the ground and use rebar or even another stake, like right now I'm using a shaft from a bow and arrow, just the arrow part, and I stuck that into the ground and the arrow part went in here. Okay, and there you go. There's your windsock weather vane. Right there. We'll see you on the next video. Oh, P.S. I forgot to add one more thing. Sorry about that. In order to get this to rotate a whole lot faster, the smaller the point at this pivot point, the more it's going to rotate. Okay? So you're going to want the arrow portion to be one of those practice bullet point that you can put on the arrow as a tip. Don't use the cutter blades, because that's not going to work. The arrow tip has to be the bullet type points for practice. Okay, and that's going to go right here, and that's going to be able to help you to rotate the windsock. So we'll see you in the next video.